Listen students, today we are going to see law of radicals. For positive integers m, n and positive rational numbers a and b, it's worth remembering the following properties of radicals. அதாவது positive integers m and n and positive rational number ab. It's worth remembering the following properties of radicals given. See that first one, radical notation. Nth root of a power n, then this nth root and this n cancel, we get a, or this power n, in the power n already we discussed sums, மேல இருக்க whole power n take inside taking this nth root and n cancel, we get a. Next one, see that a power 1 by n whole power n, then this n multiply with 1 by n, then we get n cancel a. Now a power n, அதாவது whole power n இருக்கிறது, n take inside, 1 by n take outside, n cancel, we get a. Next one, see that nth root of a into nth root of b. So orders are same, then we can take root outside common, a b multiplying nth root of a into b. அது radical notation. இது indexல பார்க்கும்போது a power 1 by n, b power 1 by n, power common, then base we can multiply ab whole power n. Next mth root of nth root of a. இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா m into n, அதாவது ரூட் காமனாக வெளியே எடுத்துடலாம், m into nth root of a, அப்படி இல்லைன்னா nth root of a, nth root of mth root of a எழுதலாம். Yes, see that the index notationல a power 1 by n whole to the power 1 by m. அது எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா a power this to take multiply 1 into 1 1, n into m, so m by n equal to இது, otherwise this to interchange, not interchange, both are changed, a power 1 by m into 1 by n. Fourth one is that nth root of a by nth root of b. So both the numerator and denominator orders are same. So surds of a order are same. Therefore, whole root take it, whole nth root of whole root a by b. Next radical index notation, a power 1 by n divided by b power 1 by n. Both are what's that index notation same. Then we can write a b, a by b whole power 1 by n. Next we are going to see the sum. Example 2.21. Express each of the following surds in its simplest form. Cube root of 108 and second one cube root of 1024 whole power minus 2, and find its order, radicand and coefficient. So want to find the simplest form of the cube root of 108 and want to find order, coefficient and radicand. So cube root of 108, first take factorize 108. So 108 by second table 54. Next by second table we get 27. Next second table is not possible. Third table 9. Next third table 3. So this we can write. See that cube root of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So next see that cube root of 2 square into 3 cube, because 2 into 2 base count power we can add. Next 3 times repeated, therefore 3 cube. Next see that now just now we see that properties, law of radicals. So that property, second property, I take substitute, then we see that cube root of 2 square into cube root of 3 cube. Now law 1, radical law of radicals, first law take applying. So cancel, we get this cube root and this 3 cancel only, therefore cube root of 2 square is the 4 into remaining 3. Now final solution we can write 3 into cube root of 4. So this is the simplest form of this given radicand. Therefore here want to write order. What is that order is 3, coefficient is 3, order this 3, coefficient is this 3, and radicand is the 4. First one, order, what we find, order is 3, radicand also 4, coefficient we get 3. Next second subdivision, see that cube root of 1024 whole to the power minus 2 is given. So cube root of 1024 we can write we can write 2 power 10. So for this take at first factor 1024 we get second table 512, next second table 256, next second table what is that 170, so we get 128 not 170. Next dividing by second table 64, next dividing by second table 32, next second table 16, next second table 8, next second table 4, next second table 2. So how much is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this now I'm writing 2 cube, that's a 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now I'm taking whole power minus 2. So this is a factor, another part. So next here cube root given, that's why I'm choosing. You see that 2 cube, first this 3 are 2 cube, next this 3 are 2 cube, next another one this 3 are 2 cube into another one remaining 2 whole power minus 2. Next see that here cube root cube root, therefore you're taking cube root cube root of 2 cube into cube root of 2 cube into cube root of 2 cube into cube root of 2 whole power minus 2. Now see that this cube root and 3 cancel, we get 2. This also same into 2. Here cube root and power 3 cancel, we get 2 into cube root of 2 whole power 2. So now multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 into cube root of 2 whole power minus 2. Here power minus 2 is there, therefore taking reciprocal, then 1 by 8 into cube root of 2 whole power 2. So now taking square separately, 1 by 8 whole square into 1 by cube root of 2 whole square. Next 1 by 8 whole square, we get 1 by 64 into here 1 by cube root of 2 whole square is given, therefore square take for numerator and denominator, then 1 square we get 1 divided by here cube root of 2 whole square. Next one 1 by 64 into here 1 by cube root of this 2 take inside, we get a 2 square. So next one 1 by 64 into 1 by cube root of 2 square, we get a 4. So this we can write 1 by 64 into cube root of 4. This we can write 1 by 64 into so 1 by cube root of 4 this we can write 1 by 64 into, so cube root take common for numerator and denominator, therefore cube root of 1 by 4, then we get 1 by 64 into cube root of 1 by 4. So this is the required solution. That's the simplest form of this third. Therefore first take right order we get 3. Next radicand what is that, 1 by 4. Next one coefficient we get 1 by 64. So coefficient is the 1 by 64 and the solution over. So idhe mari this results we can also find using what is that, index notation. This sums solved using by radical notations use பண்ணி நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணோம். இதே சம்ம நம்ம என்ன செய்யலாம், வாட் இஸ் தட், இண்டெக்ஸ் நோட்டேஷன் யூஸ் பண்ணி இந்த சம்ம நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ அண்ட் சொல்யூஷன்